Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your Bluetooth on your iPhone X. So if on your iPhone doesn't work Bluetooth, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it you just need to swipe up and just find here Bluetooth, so just tap on Bluetooth. Just wait a few seconds and just turn it on again. So if it doesn't help you, you can also try to go to the settings. So just open the settings here, just find here Bluetooth, and also you need to find here device you have also problems with, so you just choose this device and just choose forget this device and try again to connect to this device. So also you can try to turn off and turn on Bluetooth again from this option, and just try to forget device and just connect again to this device. Also you can try to restore your device you try to connect it to, and also the last thing you can try is just might force restart on your phone. So just tap on high volume button, low volume button, and just hold power button until you will see here black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release finger from this button. So now just wait until you will see here Apple logo, so it means that you successfully made force restart. So just wait. So here you can see that we successfully made force restart. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.